In this video lesson, you'll discover how to make a colorful watercolor artwork using only 2 pigments.
Here is the finished artwork that I will make by the end of this lesson. It was made in only 2 pigments. The topic for this watercolor painting is the beautiful Rialto Bridge in Venice, Italy. It is a sunny day with blue sky and few white clouds. We can see the bridge against the light, so its shadow side is facing us. Water in the canal is reflecting the light, which makes the chiaroscuro very interesting. I am making a quick sketch on location, in which I depict the arch of the bridge, capture some architectural details, and decide on the composition for the future artwork. I will use this sketch as a reference when I return to the studio. A good painting is well drawn, and good drawing only comes with the necessary skills. If you feel that your drawing skills should be improved, you may consider taking the Drawing Academy online video course. In this course, I explain in much detail how to draw in perspective, including 1, 2, 3, and 4-point perspective, and perceptive perspective. I have also written a book on this topic, which is available on Amazon. With the drawing in place, the next step is to decide on 2 colors. I would like to choose one cold and one warm color. I will leave it to you to make your own decision on which colors you would like to use. After pre-mixing the cold and warm pigments, it is time to wet the paper sheet. I am intending to paint this wet into wet, so having a thoroughly moistened paper surface is essential. I will paint the sky with pure blue ultramarine paint, without any traces of brown pigment. As I recall, on that particular day, the sky was blue with some white clouds. In order to depict this, I use the round mop brush from Escoda to paint with loose, diagonal brush strokes, which suggest a dynamic movement of clouds. I preserve the light tone of clouds by painting around them. You may notice that I do not load too much paint on the brush, so that even though the board is tilted at around 15 degrees, the paint does not flow uncontrollably.